Hi there, it is E Squared and it is just Emily today. Erin is not here with us. So I am going to dive into talking about Instagram Reels and how we can use them as photographers. So as you might know, Instagram, pretty much everything right now is favoring videos. So being able to use Instagram Reels for your photography business can be really beneficial. So we're gonna walk you through what we do with session footage and images and how we work that into our workflow to create Instagram Reels that can really get engagement up for our channel, or not for our channel, for our Instagram, and get our stuff seen by who we want to see it. And don't forget that every Monday morning we come out with a new YouTube video just for you. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications of future videos so you can tune in every Monday morning. So my goal for you today is to be able to walk away from this video learning how you can potentially create Instagram Reels with your images to make beautiful videos to add to your Instagram posts and really up that engagement on your feed. And make sure to stick around until the end because we have something special just for you. Now, like I said, unfortunately as photographers, it's not ideal that Instagram is favoring videos over our still images, which is too bad. But we are going to talk about how we've worked around that to get our work out there. So let's walk through step by step what we do. So the very first thing we do, and it's really helpful because there are two of us at every session, is we get video clips from the session. So anywhere from, you could do just a couple video clips or you could do a whole bunch of video clips. So if it is just you by yourself, pull out your phone and just have your family or your senior or your couple, whoever it might be, just have them do something fun or one of the poses and just do a little tiny video clip on your phone, shooting vertically on your phone, and then just save that for when you are going to create this reel. So we have those videos, we have all the images we took at the session. Now we are going to, step 2, we're going to edit our images and then get the images we love and want to share onto our phone. We are very lucky because we both edit on Mac computers and we have iPhones, so we can airdrop the images from our Mac computer to our iPhone very quickly and easily. So once you finish editing, get some images onto your phone. Now you have the videos, now you have the images. Step 3 is just really our type A personality. It's not really a necessary step, but we like to create a folder with all of the videos and images that we have from that session, create a folder on our phone so everything is in one place and it's not getting mixed up with other random pictures and videos on our phone. So we create that video on our phone. Okay. Step number 4 then is we are going to use an app called SPLICE. Now, there are a lot of different video apps. I know Unfold is another one we've used. There's a lot of different video apps that you can use to do this with. We just have found to love SPLICE and how quick and easy it is. So now I'm going to jump in and show you exactly what we do within SPLICE. So go ahead and take a look. Okay, so once you've opened the SPLICE app, you're going to hit New Project. And then you are going to, I always create a folder, so I'm finding my folder named Callie. And I am going to look at all my videos I have in that folder from session clip or video clips from the session, as well as all of the images I want to include in this video. So right now I watch the videos ahead of time so I know which video goes with which setting or whatever it might be. So I am going to determine here soon enough. There we go. That video I know is when we are doing the chair poses. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click another video and match it up with some of the poses around that time of the session. And then I'm just going to keep continuing to go through. And then now I know I'm going to do the black shirt next, and then click all my black shirt pictures from the trail there. And then I'm going to click my flowers with all of the flower pictures. So I always put the video clip and then any images from that. And then you're going to go on and you're going to click Instagram Reels for your aspect ratio. And then you can also give the project a title if you want. So you want it to be an Instagram Reel. Okay, so I always go to where it says mute clips and click mute clip. So then all of the audio is muted. So our voices aren't playing when we go into the to post the Instagram reel on Instagram or on TikTok, whatever we might do. We mute the clips so you can't hear any of that stuff. And then you can't see what I'm clicking on, but you are going to see me click on. You see the little video clip and then the image. There's little transition things in between. It looks like almost like a sideways 8, like kind of an infinity sign. I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, that's the transition. And what we like to do is we like to make our transitions vary them up so all of the transitions look a little bit different. So it's not the exact same transition from slide or from image to image to image, which is kind of cool. It keeps people interested. So I am going to be clicking on the transition button. You'll see it kind of show up. So there I go. I'm going to click on it here. There we go. And then I'm going to click random for the transition. And then I'm going to click the blue checkbox and hit apply to all. So all of the transitions are going to be random throughout the video. So I've done that. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm playing it here for you and it's not playing very nicely, so ignore that because I'm going to show you the final product at the end. But the next thing that I want to do is I don't want the images to show up for very long. So I am going to go to each image and tap on it, and then I'm going to drag it to the left so the images are only up for like not even a second or whatever it might be. So you can change how long you want the images up. So I'm just honestly clicking on every single image, dragging it across until I get it to about the length I want it to be. So I'm going to continue on through that for you. And then I'll show you what we do next. We don't add any audio inside of here. It's an option. You can do that, but we add the audio once we post it on our Instagram. On Instagram, we use it. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so if you add a horizontal image into the SPLICE app, obviously SPLICE likes vertical images, but you can still add the horizontal ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the word crop on the bottom there where you see all of those different options. I'm going to hit crop, and then I'm going to tap on the big picture up top, and with my finger I'm going to drag around to where I want the image to sit. You can also hit the word after you hit crop, you can hit the word fit if you want to just fit the whole image in. We like it to show up or show as much of the image as we possibly can blown up. So we just move it around and kind of crop it within the SPLICE app. Okay, so there I go. I hit crop. I'm sliding it around, dragging the image so it's shorter. And then you can see this says it's about a 17-second video so far. If you can see it, it's kind of small. Usually ours are around a minute, and I'm going to show you again the final product. This was just very short snippet of all of it. But there you go, and then you can expand it if you want, or you can add text as well. So if I wanted to say senior session with Callie, I can do that. We don't typically add text, but it's one way to jazz it up a little bit. And then you can move that text around. You can change the color, the background color, all of that as well. And you can decide how long you want that to show up. And then you can also expand it to view the whole thing. So if I wanted to view the whole thing, I can press the little expand button there and watch the video. It's showing up all funky on my phone, so totally ignore that. But that is basically the gist of it. And then when you're ready to export it to your phone, you just go to the upper right-hand corner where the arrow is pointed up, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to hit save, and that's as easy as that. Okay, so this was the one that we actually posted on Instagram and on TikTok once it was finished. So this is just kind of giving you an idea of what it ends up looking like. You're not hearing music, but we apply music to it as well inside of Instagram and inside of TikTok. I will quick show you how we now get this video from our phone camera roll to an Instagram reel as well, so you can understand that part of it. And then you will see kind of how that all works out. It's super, super handy. We love it. It's a really quick and easy way to show off more of your images, just because Instagram Reels and videos are being pushed a lot more than just an Instagram post. So we absolutely love this app. It works wonderful. Okay, so to add it to Instagram, you're going to be on your profile and you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and hit the plus button. And then you're going to hit Reel. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to hit that plus sign and you're going to find your video. And once you find your video, it's going to be added. And then the next thing you can do, you can click the music button and pick a song, search a song, whatever it might be, add that song to your video. And then boom, you have it, add, and then you can hit next, and then next again, and you are ready to post that reel. Super, super handy. It looks really nice, shows off your images very well as well. So hopefully that was helpful in showing you how we get all of those video clips and images into Splice, out of Splice, and onto Instagram to share with our followers and non-followers, because a lot of times these videos are getting views from people that aren't even your followers, so potential new followers. So it can be really powerful. Comment below and let us know if you have ever used Instagram Reels or what you're excited to try with using Instagram Reels for your photography business. Now, I know that's a lot of information within that video, so if you need to rewatch it and pause it at certain points so you can really understand how to use it, go ahead and do that. Work around and try to find different video editing apps that you learn or are finding that you love. Splice isn't the only one, like I said, and there are a lot out there that can be really powerful for you in creating Reels. And you can actually create these right in Instagram as well. We just prefer to do it in the app and then export it all out of there, just because there's a little bit more you can do with those transitions and stuff. So hopefully that was really helpful. We have something for you in the meantime. So if you are working on creating a new photography business, or if you have just started your photography business, we have a free download for you. It's a business checklist of all of the things that we feel are important to do when you're first starting your photography business. So if you're interested in that at all, make sure to check the description below to get your hands on that. And if you found this video helpful at all, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos just like this one in the future. And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at e2photography so you can see more of these reels in action and you can see some behind the scenes footage of us at actual sessions. We hope to see you next week.